Namaste dear friends, welcome to the 10th day of 30 days yoga challenge, and I hope you are enjoying the whole process. And I want to know your experience, so that please write down on the comment box or mail us on our email. And we will begin the session with the other affirmation. This is a small and simple powerful affirmation. As you know, we have to use affirmation 3 times. First, we have to use this loudly, then slowly, then very slowly as a whisper. And try to make a concentration on the affirmation. With that concentration, we will start the practice. So, sit in a cross-leg position, Sukhasana. You have both hands in Chin Mudra. You close your eyes, you open your chest. Focus at the point between your eyebrows. We will do a small breathing exercise. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath 5 seconds. Slowly exhale. Inhale deeply, hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Inhale, hold. Exhale. Keep the concentration at the point between your eyebrows. And repeat the affirmation. I am joy. I am joy. I am joy. Slowly open your eyes. Now, slowly stand on the mat. Keep your feet few inches apart. Keep your knees straight. Support your hip with both hands. Now bend your right leg. Now move your lower leg up and down. Give a nice stretch to the knees. 5 to 10 times. Come to the center. Do the other side. Bend the left leg. Move your left lower leg up and down 5 to 10 times. Find a balance there. Slowly down. Now, find a balance on your left leg and just straight. Move your left foot, right foot away from the mat. Keep the right knee straight. Slowly rotate your right leg clockwise. Keep the right knee straight 5 times. And anti-clockwise 5 times. Slowly place your right leg down. Find a balance with your right feet. Left feet slowly up, few inches away from the mat. And rotate your left leg, left knee straight 5 times clockwise. And 5 times anti-clockwise. come to the center. Again, feet in the same position, few inches away. Support your hip and slowly rotate your hip clockwise 5 times. Keep the knee straight and anti-clockwise 5 times, only the hip. Then come to the center. Separate the both hands away from the shoulder. Turn the upper body to the right as far as you can. Inhale, come to center. Turn the upper body towards to the left. Look at the left fingertip. Inhale, come to center. 2 more time. To the right. Keep the elbow straight, keep the knee straight. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, release. Now, your both feet little bit wider. Little bit wider than your shoulder width apart. Your both toes are pointing forward. Keep the knee straight. Chest is open. Keep your hip roll forward. Now, inhale your right hand up, right elbow close to the ear. Exhale, turn the upper body towards to the left as far as you can. But keep the both knees straight, both elbows straight. Loose hang leg. Don't give weight on your left palm. Slowly touch on the left side. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, right leg down. Inhale, left hand up. Turn the upper body towards to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, left hand down. Do the right hand. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, right hand release. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Now inhale, right hand up. Turn to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale, left hand up. Turn to the right. Inhale up, exhale, right leg down. Now your legs together. Now, like yesterday, we will do sun salutation A. It is not a perfect sun salutation with an alternative asanas. Now, your feet together. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, forward, bend down, place the palms by the side of the feet, forehead towards the knees. Inhale, head up, chest up. Hold the breath, come to push-up position. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. Stay in the position, 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly walk forward. One leg forwarded by the other leg. Look forward and exhale for her toes to the knees. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Look at the thumb. Exhale, both hands down. 2 more time. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, forward bend down from the hip, forehead towards the knees. Inhale, head up, chest up. Look forward, hold the breath, come to push-up position. Exhale, your knees, chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly walk forward and standing position. Look forward. Exhale, forehead toes to the knees. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, both hands down. One more time. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, bend forward from the hip, palms side of the feet, forehead towards the knees. Inhale, head up, chest up. Hold the breath, come to push-up position. Exhale, knees chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, hip down, chest up, and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. Look at the toes. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly walk forward, look forward. Exhale, forehead toes to the knees. Inhale, both arms up and arch back, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, both hands down. Very good. Now, slowly, feet few inches away from each other, both hands in front of you. Slowly sit up. 5 seconds here in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, come to the center. Now inhale deeply. Exhale here. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, stand up. Now again, last round. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, release. Slowly sit down. Bring the soles of the feet together. You can do Baddha Konasana. If you are not so flexible, you can stay like this. Hold the toes and fall forward. When you go forward, don't stress too much. Just go as far as you can. And stay in the position. Breathe deeply. And if you have good flexibility in your hips, you can place the heels to feet together. It's also the feet together. Then bring the heels towards to the hip, the perineum. Place the palms behind you. Then push your hip forward as much as you can. Then hold your toes with the both hands. Move your knees up and down. Try to touch the knees on the mat. Open the chest, look forward, and move your knees up and down as much as you can. Then slow down, slowly slow down. Then hold your toes, then wide open the elbows, open your chest. As you exhale, slowly bend forward from the hip. Try to bring the chest towards the toes, forehead towards the mat. You don't need to touch the mat, but try to move forward with each exhalation. And breathe Give a 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, hip up, head up, chest up. Slowly release the hand. Your legs outstretched. Shake your legs and slowly lie down on the mat. Your legs together. Separate the hands. Palms away from the shoulder. Palms facing down. Now inhale your right leg up, bend the right knee, right feet on the left thigh. Left hand up, hold the right knee with your left hand, then turn the right knee towards the left side and turn the upper body towards the right side and look at the right fingertip. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come to center. Release the left hand. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg down. Inhale, left leg up, bend the left knee, place the left foot above the right thigh. Inhale, right hand up, hold the left knee with the right hand, twist your left knee towards the right side and look at the left fingertip. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, release. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Now slowly lie down in Shavasana. Close your eyes. Relax. Slowly your legs together, arms over the head, interlocking the fingers and stretch the whole body. Exhale, release the hand. Turn to one side and slowly come up. Sit in cross leg position. Both hands in Chin Mudra, close your eyes. Breathe. Slowly open the eyes. Thank you so much for the practice. See you in the next video. Namaste.